Miss Nell Barber, how are you today?
I am great.
Why are we here at Curves today?
I am here to show you how young I have become since I became a Curves member.
Great. And what number workout is this going to be for you today?
700.
Wow.
That's 700.
Wow. All right, let's click it in and see exactly what that screen's going to tell her.
It's always hard to do.
There it is. Look at that. 700.
11:20 a.m.
Oh, she's been 17 times this month.
She's been booking.
Now, how long have you been coming to Curves?
Since 2004.
Since 2004. And what do you like most about Curves?
The girls, everywhere I go, the girls are friendly.
What do you like what it's doing to your health?
Well, can't you just look how pretty I am? You can tell I'm pretty.
Yeah, spin around and fit.
Yeah.
You feel fit.
I am fit.
Good. And can I ask you a personal question? How young are you?
Almost 80.
Wow. Well, we're excited to be here for you today, and we're going to work out with you and have a good time.
I recommend Curves to everyone.
Thank you, ma'am. Oh, that's so